42, saying, Father, if thou be willing, remove this cup from me. Nevertheless, not my will, but thine be done. And there appeared an angel unto him from heaven, strengthening him, and being in an agony he prayed more earnestly, and his strength was as it was waking up the blood falling down to the ground. So that's why the blood stone in front of the altar inside of the chapel is very important, because according to the local tradition, that is when the Lord Jesus Christ prayed in agony and you sacrifice.